Hey everybody, so today I have a tutorial for this look right here that I just wanted to feel slutty. I wanted to feel hot. I wanted to feel sexy. So I sat down and I did this makeup and damn it, I feel hot. Before we get to the video, I do have a sponsor for today's video. Yay! So let's hear about today's sponsor. Thank you so much to Beducated for working with me on today's video, and I am so excited to share this service with y'all. Beducated is an online platform that shares inclusive and high quality sexual wellness courses online. What I love about Beducated is it's basically like watching Netflix, but instead of trying to find the next sitcom or murder mystery to watch, it's video courses about squirting, kink, open relationships, anal, pleasure mapping. Honestly, there's so many amazing topics and topics that I hadn't even heard of that it was hard for me to just pick like 4 or 5 to mention just then. But if I had to talk about just one course that I really loved, I loved the course about squirting. Squirting has always been something that I've been kind of mystified by and really curious about, and what I loved about it is 1, super high quality, 2, super funny and really entertaining to watch. You can tell whoever creates those videos really has some great artistic direction behind them. And I really love that they broke down the different myths surrounding squirting and then followed it up with really, really great techniques and ways that you could practice trying to get yourself there. What I love about this too is with the couples campaign, watching these videos together is a great way to get excited about new things, to learn new things about your partner, and really spice things up and get excited to try some new techniques in the bedroom. I know a lot of us the last year have spent a lot more time with our partners than we are used to, and sometimes that can lead to maybe a monotonous, maybe a lackluster sex life, and this is a great way to learn about each other and get excited and get in the mood all without leaving your house. Or if you're like me and you're basically functionally single, this is a great way for me to explore my body and really spice up my solo sex life, but also learn and grow and be able to bring some awesome new concepts and ideas into the bedroom once I am able to be reunited with my man. For my followers, they are offering 70% off a monthly subscription. That's just $7.99 for a monthly subscription, and you get access to all Beducated courses, plus a Sexpert Q&A, and access to their private online community. All you have to do is click the link in the description box and use code Katie, and that will get you 70% off, plus 24 hours free, completely free trial to check out the courses and see if there's something on there for you, but I guarantee there is something on there for you. Thank you so much, Beducated, for working with me on this video, and let's get back into the tutorial. So anyways, today is just a straight up makeup tutorial for this sultry, sexy, hot makeup look. I just wanted to look nice and slutty and hot, so that's really it. Also, if you take offense to me using the word slutty, I am using it in a positive connotation. I literally have earrings that say slut. I've been called a slut my whole life, so I get to fucking say slut and call myself a slut all I want to. But without further ado, if you want to see this hot, slutty makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. Okay, everybody, let's get on to the makeup. I don't really know what I want to do, so it's kind of ironic you will have already seen what I'm doing before I did. So I'm gonna pull out the Stone Cold Fox palette just because I think I want to play with a little bit of cool tones, but I don't want to do a ton of eyeshadow, honestly. When I want to feel sexy, I either go super minimal, dewy, like Victoria's Secret, or I do a complete 180 and it's big titty goth GF, heavy black eyeliner, dark lips, the whole thing. I think I want to do somewhere in the middle today. I'm going to take the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. This is one of my favorites of all time. And actually, before I do that, I'm first going to quickly oh my god, there's something in my eye. Put some under eye corrector on. This is the Pixi Under Eye Concentrate and Brightening Peach. So I'm just going to dab that on with this little domed brush. Then we're going to take the Eco Tools compostable sponge. Compostable? That's what it's called? I don't know, but it's such a nice sponge, and we are going to apply foundation. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop on a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna do the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. A little bit on my acne scars, my maskne scars. Boquito? What? Huh. Oh my god. Okay, and then I'm going to set my under eyes with the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlight and setting and highlighting, brightening and setting palette. I usually use these two, the two lightest shades, and this is the second lightest palette. Okay, and then I'm just going to set all over my face with the NYX Mineral Setting Powder. Okay, and then let's move on to eyes, shall we? Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put on a little bit of eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna take the same brush that we used to set our under eyes, and I'm just going to set the the first half of our lid, like just like this much, like just like that much. And then I think what I'm gonna do is kind of like a smoky liner situation. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But I'm going to take this pointed small tapered blending E45 by Sigma, and I'm gonna dip into black eyeshadow. I'm just using the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette, and we are going to place that in the outer corner, basically like where eyeliner would be. I have the iCarly theme song stuck in my head. Don't know where that came from. So wake up, nation, it's your time to be. Again, I don't want this to be too dark or too heavy. I just want it like a little sultry. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm just gonna do that much. And then I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take the Sigma E25, and I'm gonna take a brown? Yeah, a brown. None of these browns are browns I want to use. You know what? I'm just going to take this kind of like warm brown from the My Chem and Hipdot palette, and I'm just going to go along the edge of the black. Any brown you have works perfectly fine. But I'm just going to go along the edge of the black and start to kind of blend it out. And underneath as well. I'm gonna also kind of take this in the crease as well. Yes, this is what I'm living for. So I'm not going directly over the black. I'm going kind of like halfway on the black and then halfway outside of the black. I'm just kind of wiggling my brush. I don't want to bring it in too much, basically like halfway out, or from halfway across my eyelid. Can I talk? I don't think I can. Basically from halfway across my eyelid and out, and flicking it out. I've been really lacking inspiration as far as like makeup tutorials go, which I feel like the makeup tutorial community is kind of dying as a whole. Like a lot of the big like makeup beauty bloggers like aren't really doing as much makeup anymore, and like I think that's fine. I think that's totally fine. We've oversaturated the makeup market so much that like it's fine to, you know, move on from it. But I still obviously love doing makeup. So if you all ever see looks that you want me to recreate or looks that you want me to try, I really loved trying out e-girl makeup, just because, you know, we've been doing makeup one way since like 2013, the like Instagram, YouTube way of doing makeup. So I really want to get outside my comfort zone and try different ways of doing makeup. So that being said, if you ever see any type of look that you want me to try, please tag me in it. Please tag me on Instagram, tag me on TikTok, like whatever. And maybe that could be a series, is like trying makeup tutorials y'all like send me. I really want to do a like trying like traditional goth makeup. I think that would be really, really fun. Okay, so then I'm just going back in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just softening those edges. And then I'm going to go back in with the pointed blending brush and black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to re-darken it up. I like this because it comes to a little point, so you can kind of like drag it out and create that nice like flick with eyeshadow. And then after that, it's just a lot of going back and forth and making sure that everything is soft and blended. And then I am gonna take that same brown, and again, you can use whatever brown and whatever black you have in your collection. I'm gonna go across the lower lash line just to smoke that out a little bit. There's no chance unless you take one. And then I'm going to take the shade Luxe right here. Just any like nude bone color. I'm going to pop that on the inner third of my lid just to brighten it up. Oh, that shade is sparkly. Oh no, my brush is sparkly. Okay, well, sparkles are kind of slutty. I'm here for that. Okay, we're gonna stop there for eyeshadow real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. I am going to heavily bronze my skin. I think I'm gonna do the Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer, even though, no, I'm almost out of that. I am out of that. I should just throw it this way, but I can only use this shade when I'm self-tanned, so I figured I should use it and use it when I'm self-tanned. But my thing is I keep getting so many new tattoos that I can't self-tan. So first world problems. I'm gonna take the Nabla Skin Bronzing in the Soft Revenge. This shit is just like my go-to. It's my favorite. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It gives just like a slight satin finish to the skin. That's a lot of bronzer, but I did say I was gonna heavily bronze. So we're going to take it all the way around the perimeter of our face and down our jawline, down our neck, and then a little bit down each side of our nose, and then a little bit below our lower lip to give us a little bit of a pouty look. I love doing like mulberry kind of colored blushes when I want to feel a little sassy. I'm gonna use this Cover FX blush that's a monochromatic blush duo in Sweet Mulberry. I'm gonna take the shimmery side on this Cokey blush. I love using this brush for blush. And then lately I have been liking the kind of like e-girl like blush moment where it goes all the way across, but when I'm feeling like sexier, I kind of want to do that like lifted look, so I place my blush a little bit higher, a little bit farther back, as opposed to like on my actual cheeks. This one got a little too far, but that's okay. Or like across my entire like upper face like I have been lately. I am just gonna take a little bit down my nose just to give me a full-on like blushed appearance, but I'm not doing the heavy, you know, e-girl TikTok thing, although we love that. Don't get me wrong. Okay, I'm going to go, now that we have like bronzer and stuff on, I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows. I use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen and Colourpop Boss Brow Gel. So I'm gonna go fill in my brows and then we will be right back. Okay, brows are on. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use, I think, 2 different highlights. Why not? I'm first going to use the Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in the shade Extra. This shit is just, it's nice, it's bomb. I really like it. You need so little and it is so bright. So I'm going to wet my brush and we are going to use this to highlight our brow bone. So I'm just going to, there is nothing sluttier to me than just like a fucking poppin' brow bone. Like, this is pornographic to me. Oh, so good. How Trixie Mattel feels about blush, that is how I feel about a good brow bone highlight. Oh, it is so good. Ooh, I love it. I'm gonna dust off my brush and kind of dry it off a little bit, just so it's not as intense, and then I'm gonna take the same highlight down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. And then we're gonna take the Milani Sunglow, I think it's a Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder in the shade Sunglow. I think that's how it goes. Anyways, we're going to dust that above the brow and on top of the cheeks lightly, just make our face nice and dewy. And then to complete making our face look dewy, we are going to set it with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Spray. Why did I do that with my arm? Did you see my arm? I was just like posted up, just, I don't know, man. Okay, and then I am going to put on a little bit of eyeliner just because I want to do some big slutty lashes. Again, nothing sluttier than a big lash. These ones from Kiss, these are the like matte black collection, and this is in the style matte velvet. I have worn these probably for the past like 3 months. I love them so much. Not that exact pair, but this pair I have used multiple times. So I'm just going to do a really thin line of eyeliner. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I'm actually not going to do like a wing. I'm just going to line with this just because I love the like the softness of this like kind of wing situation. So as you can see, I just did eyeliner, and then the wing itself is just eyeshadow. I have been doing YouTube since like 2013, 2014, and I still can't put on eyelashes without putting on eyeliner. We're gonna wait for that eyeliner to dry, and then we're also going to pop on some lash glue onto our lashes and let that sit so that it's easy to apply. So I just apply a pretty thick band of lash glue. Also, I have a TikTok on how to apply fake lashes, so I will put that down below if you guys want like a full tutorial on how I put on lashes. But then while that's just like sitting and waiting, we are going to do lips. So I'm just gonna do a nice slutty lip liner and lip gloss moment because I love it. I just got this lip liner from Ulta. This is it. I have eyeliner all over my hands. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, which the Suede Matte Lip Liners are definitely my favorite like line of lip liners from NYX. They have like 8 different types of lip liners. The suede matte ones are my favorite. I find that they're just stiff enough and just creamy enough. This is in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. I will swatch it for y'all. It's this nice like cool tone mauve-y brown. I think it's gonna be just like perfect. So I am going to line my lips with this. Duh. I need to shave my upper lip. This is bad. And of course we're gonna overline a little bit. We want those dick sucking lips or titty sucking lips. Happy Pride. Ooh, I'm looking like Gomez Adams right now. Hey, he's sexy as shit though, so I'll take it. Okay, and then I am gonna blend this a little bit just because it's so like cool toned and not even similar to my lip shade. Oh! Stop. This is everything. Then I'm gonna use my favorite lip gloss of all time right now. This is the Colourpop and Raw Beauty Christie gloss in Glacier. This is just like stunning and everything I need in a lip gloss. Like, are you kidding? Look how wet. Oh. Ooh. I lied. How Trixie Mattel feels about blush is how I feel about a nice gloss. Oh, tell me those aren't the sluttiest lips you've ever seen in your life. Oh. Stop. Okay, I need to stop myself. I am going to continue to wait for my lashes to dry and put them on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we're here. We're slutty. We are living for that. These earrings, stop. You know I had to wear them. They are from Spencer's. I will try to find them and link them down below. The lashes are on, and I think my lashes are a little wonky, but that's okay. It's not a total Gia Gunn moment, so it's fine. But this is the tutorial. I feel literally fucking incredible. I feel so sexy with my new hair and the makeup. I feel like it's still like kind of fresh faced, but it's like fresh faced but like beat to the gods, you know? I love it. I love it. I think it's so much fun. That's it. That's my tutorial. Please make sure to check out Beducated. I think they are such a cool company. So hit that link down below. Get your discount code. I truly think this is a really cool service. So make sure to go check that out. And that's it. That's all I have for you all. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!